Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm just showing you a quick video around my front yard and my backyard. So we'll be showing you some new summer plants that are coming up that we just added into our gardens. That's the side and that's the back. What you see covered in blue is wood for like winter time or when it cools down for a fireplace outside right there. But anyways, so this summer it's been interesting, different weather for different days, different temperatures and stuff. But I'm so excited because the flowers are starting to come up. Like you can see in that pot, looks really gorgeous. Those tall plants, those flowers are gorgeous. The pink ones you see in the back there. What you see like a bush behind the grill hasn't yet started flowering, but they usually attract lots and lots of butterflies when the flowers come up, and also lots of bees. So I love it. I love those bushes. We trim them every winter time, or after summer, like in the fall. So we trim them, otherwise it grows into a huge bush. That's my other vegetable garden. There's a spring onions that you see tall, and there's a beans. These are pinto beans that I planted again this year. I planted them last year as well. They usually do really well. So we'll be eating some fresh beans really soon. I have some little tomatoes in there. There's mint on the side. I planted an avocado. So I put it in the pot so that we can take it inside in the garage or maybe in the basement during winter time. I want to see how big it can grow. I don't know how long it will take, but usually the avocados that I know from Africa usually take about 2 years maybe to actually mature and you get fruits from it. But this is a hass avocado, so I don't know how long it will take, but I just wanted to see how they actually grow, if they can grow in this weather on this side of the of the country. That's the backyard again. Corey just cut the grass. It looks all nice and neat. The boys have their trampoline there. They love playing on the back there. Let's see, so let's try to go in the front. I have more plants coming in. Well, what are we looking at here? The kids trying to, I told them to pick up all the balls that they threw around the yard to put them back into the trampoline. As you can see, Zane is struggling to put it up, but Aiden will help eventually. Anyway, so this is the front. I have those two pots. What I have in there is like sweet potato. I don't think they call them sweet potato, but they're like potato plants. And I discovered you can actually get sweet potatoes from them at the end of the season. Those bushes, we trim them, those roundish looking ones, we trim them. They actually have an awful smell if you put your nose really close. What I added here, I added some rocks on the gardens on the sides there, as you can see. These are, what are they called? They are river rocks, I believe. Yes. So I added some more. They kind of brought a very nice beauty. They added a nice beauty to the gardens. And this is the same exact plant that is in the back, and we have it here. And you can grow the bulbs. So the bulbs underneath, you can actually put them in, in other pots, and they would just grow. I don't know if they would survive in the tropical weather, but who knows? I might take some to Uganda and see if they survive. I added some mulch here as well around there, as you can see, and then surrounded the mulch with stones. These you kind of have to like do them every year, like get them out of the soil, because sometimes they start to get deeper into the soil. So what I do, I get a shovel, like a little shovel, and just dig them up the ground, and then they start looking fresh again. The water rinses them off so the soil does not really stick onto them. Yeah, so that's, I have some hanging baskets. This is the mailbox. I also added some rocks there. I didn't have mulch there, so I added some mulch. It also gave it another nice look. Under that tree on the side, I also added some rocks on the side and planted some perennial flowers, so they should be able to come back every single year. That what you see on the left is leftover rocks. Yeah, I added some rocks on here as well. I think I might get more rocks to go all the way to the end of the garden there on the side. but it's expensive too. So maybe next this fall I might add some more bags of rocks. You might need like 5 or 6 rocks for just that side. Overall, I think I bought about 30 something bags of rocks to be able to fill up all the yard work that I did this year. But you know, it turned out looking nice. We added some solar lights. Actually, we added those last year. So if the light goes off, the security lights in the front of the house, if they go off,